Okay, so I don't know if you guys are aware, but I am a huge book nerd. So what I wanted to do is kind of show you some of my collection and give you guys some ideas. So this is my first collection. This is an old bookcase that my husband refinished for me. We sanded it, painted it this bright purple to match in my office. He custom made and stained the top for me, put new hardware on the 3 drawers right here, and as you can see, it is completely full and overflowing. And you come into my family room from the kitchen. I've got one of these bookshelves on either side. They've got cabinets down here and shelves up here. The one on the other side is completely full of children's books and board games. And then my collection, again, is full. Right here in my family room are some custom shelves that my husband built for me. We took just some plain wood, cut it down. We didn't even stain these. We just left them the natural wood color, put them on some black brackets, and as you can see, they are also full. Books are spilling over. This is my gorgeous pantry that my husband remade for me. When we moved in, it had, the white wire shelves. So he took them all down, fixed the walls, painted, and then custom cut and stained these wooden shelves and put them probably like 2.5 to 3 feet off the ground up to the ceiling. Put 2 over here so that we could fit our chest freezer here. And then these are all my cookbooks. So yes, I have a ton of cookbooks as well. I honestly never look at them. I just like to collect books. This is a bookshelf that I found on Facebook Marketplace. It's about 8 feet long and about 3 feet tall. It has 2 shelves and it's on cute little mid-century modern legs. So my plan for this is to sand it and paint it or stain it. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it yet. So if you guys have any suggestions on colors, let me know, but I could definitely fill this up with books.